Alright, let's try another unboxing video. This is another order from Living Artwork Fish Farms out in Florida, in Ruskin, Florida. As usual, box is nicely marked as live animals. Other half is covered up because I'm not showing my address. Let's get in here. Alright, not a big box since it's just a small order. And it's nicely packed in a big bag with the two small bags inside. As usual, they will pack a discount coupon and your standard acclimation guide and all the procedures for exchange, dead on arrival, all those fun things. We have the bag. Rubber bands flying all over the place. Let's get the little less interesting ones. Alright, so this is order of assorted angelfish. They are tiny, they are literally babies. And looks like we got some pretty good colors here. Set that aside. And to the main attraction, figure 8 puffers. Now they did not specify whether these are caught. Believe they are, as most of them are wild caught. There's the one. Try to zoom in here a little bit more. Too much. Come on, get to the bed. Get to the center. Looks like their shapes are starting to fill in. Get these to their intended tank and start floating the bag. Alright, they are floating in their intended tank. Give that about 15-20 minutes and come back. And we'll go ahead and get these angelfish popped into the tank.